Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. My name's David Bradley. I've been tinkering on Commodore computers for about 45 years. So what we're doing right now is testing out a SID chip inside a Commodore 64. I'm just going to shoot a picture of it. There we are. It is a 6581 chip made in the 7th week of 1984, and I will be putting it up for sale. I shall. Perhaps I'll do another picture. First, what we're really I'm here to show you that this SID chip is working and working dandy. Also, of course, if you're interested in this 1084S monitor, you can see the picture is working and hear that the sound is working. Anyway, I will add this to my listing. I shall. And as with anything, if we're local, I'm sure we can work something out easy and quick and fast. If you're not local, then of course shipping will be extra. And in these days, I don't know what that even means when it comes to shipping to the United States of America. Anyway, so there we have it. A MOS 6581 sound chip, SID chip, sound interface device inside a Commodore 64. As I say, it was made in the 7th month of 1984. And how do we tell that? That's because the code on it says 0784. It does. Alright, I'll turn this off. And we'll very carefully take this chip out. Checking the pins. Pins are good. You can see the actual chip. There it is. That's the one that I'm selling. So if you're interested in the SID chip, let me know. David Bradley, at your service. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.